Hi there, it's Susan King, Art by Susan King, and welcome. Today I'll be doing a minimalistic swipe on a red base. I'm swiping with black, and I'm going to add my colors now. I've got Windsor Violet. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to go into okay. Just applying the color like that. That's that one. I'm using this little piggy, whoops, no. Yeah, this little piggy glisten. It's interference paint. Okay, so I'm putting that over top of there, of the purple or violet. Then I'm going to be using blue. It's Brilliant Blue by Liquitex Basics. Then this little piggy pink floss, I think, fairy floss. That's it for the colors. Now to swipe. Okay, I'm using Lamp Black mixed with Australian Floetrol. I'm going to mix it really well. It's freshly made. I watched a few videos of other people's and or seen pictures on Facebook of different ones. So that influenced me to do my own. I think Nikki D Art and Billy Gara. I don't know how to pronounce that. Billy. I liked what they were doing, so I decided to do it as well. All right, but I'm swiping slightly different. I'm not swiping with a palette knife like this. I know that's what most of them are doing, but I seen somebody swipe with paper towel, and this was a long time ago that they were swiping, and I really liked the results of it, so that's what I'm going to swipe with. So I don't know. I guess I should go wider. Yeah. Wider than the... Not too wide though. So I'm just cutting a piece of paper towel, just regular paper towel. Made it slightly wider than the colors. I don't know if I can get it all the way across. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like that on that side, and then I'm going to go the other side. Because every time I try to go all the way around, all the way over, by the time I get over there, there's not hardly any black left on the either palette knife or this, unless I'm doing something wrong. So I thought I would try this way. So I'm dipping it in the cell activator. Ooh. Missed a spot. I missed a spot. So I'm going to go over that with just a skinny piece. All right. And I'm going to cut another piece. Dip it again. Not quite giving me the cells that I want. I'll see what happens when I spin it. Getting the cells that I want. I don't mind the outside, but the inside. Oh, what should I do? I'm going to leave out the blue, and I'm going to just add some more violet and pink. And then I'm going to swipe again. bit of this on top. Piggy, iridescent. I forget what it's called. It's too thick, too wide. I've got better cells, so I'm going to spin it. Or lacing, I should say, I guess. Cells lacing. It's not bad. I don't mind it. I think it looks better since I swiped more in the middle. Cool. I don't think it's going to spin anymore. I think it's going to stretch it too much. So I think I'm just going to leave it like it is. I believe. Yeah. Oops. All right. Bring it up for a close-up. I'll let this dry and I'll show you at the end how it dried. So I'm back with the dried results. It dried nice and smooth. No bumps or anything. I didn't get any shimmer or shine from the pigments. I don't know why. But it looks cool, looks nice. So, just gotta bring it down for a close-up. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, and If you'd like to watch more of my videos, there should be some playlists popping up on the screen right now. Whoops, right about there. I guess I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.